Today's topic is Bostrup theory of agricultural development. The theory was developed by Esther Bostrup in her book The Conditions of Agricultural Growth in 1966. She states that the cause of growth in agriculture is compulsion, that is population growth. As a result of population growth, agriculture develops. She has stated 5 stages of agriculture development. The first stage is forest fallow stage. In this stage, forests are cut down and burned and cultivation is done in forest land. It doesn't require much labor or capital as the soil is already loose. The second stage, when population further increases, is bush fallow stage. After forest, bushy areas are also cleared for agriculture purposes. The soil is not that loose, so it requires a little tilling and all in this stage. The third stage is the short fallow stage. In this stage, even grasslands and weeded areas, it's also cleared for cultivation purposes. When again population keeps on growing, so the fourth stage comes as annual cropping stage. There is no area which is not under cultivation in this stage. Still the population grows and the population required more food grains. As a result, there emerges the final stage, multiple cropping, when two or more crops are grown in a year to satisfy the food requirement of the people. This is conflicting to the Malthusian theory, as Malthus states that the population growth doesn't align with that of the growth in food grains. But here Bostrup has stated the opposite, that as population growth, the food production, agriculture also keeps on developing. So I hope you understood. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.